All right, so now we're going to talk about the extreme value theorem. So if f is continuous on a closed interval ab, then f has both a maximum and a minimum on this interval. So basically, if I were to draw a graph here, and I had something going, all the way through this, no matter what it was, if I chose some interval that started at a, right, and it went all the way to b, what this is saying is that there has to be both a max and a min that occurs on this graph. Well, the max just so happens to be right here, and the minimum is going to occur down here at a. And remember, it's a closed interval, so we're using these closed brackets. So both of those have to exist on a closed interval. And some of you are probably wondering, well, I'm sure there's a graph that we can draw. Well, even if I draw some of these smaller graphs here, just that are different examples, if I had something like this, and it went from A to B, this is still going to be my max, this is still going to be my min. There's still going to be one that occurs. And then this second statement addresses the fact, well, what if we had a constant? Well, if it's a constant, it would look like this. It'd be a horizontal line. We would still have the interval a to b. And it just so happens that these are both my max and my min because they're the highest values. And it could occur anywhere on this line.